Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to talk a little bit about over-activating. We've had a lot of customers that have inquired about this, and so of course we thought we'd shoot a quick little video in showing you the effects of over-activating as well as correctly activating film, because a lot of people get those confused sometimes. So we wanted to make a short and quick little video to give you the idea of what to look for whenever it's over-activated, as well as if it's correctly or maybe even under. So let's get started. All right, so now that we've got this in the water, let's talk a little bit about over-activating. And so of course, with over-activating, the biggest key component in that is that it is sprayed with too much activator. And so what you're gonna find is that if you do start to over-activate your film will pretty much just slide right off of that part. And so pretty much all you're doing is you're applying so much activator that whenever it bonds into the paint, it no longer has something to stick to. And so of course, whenever the activator and the inks are all on there, if you go to touch it, it just smears everywhere. Or whenever you bring it back out of the water, then gravity takes effect and it slides right off your part. Now that is way, way over activated, but it can also still definitely happen. So you definitely want to make sure that whenever you're applying your activator, you've got to get it just right, because of course, not enough activator, the print's not going to stick. Correctly amount of activator, the print's going to stick, and then too much activator, the print may not stick, but it's going to slide off or smear instead of coming off in chips or chunks or little bitty specks. So that's a quick thing to do to see if it's over or under. Now, as you can tell, this is completely glassed out smooth. So in reality, it looks identical to a correctly activated piece. But what you're gonna notice is that whenever we go to dip this part, we're going to take this, go nice and smooth down into the water, just like so. And then whenever we pull it back out, what we'll see is that if I touch this, it's literally just smearing all over everywhere. And so you can see how I've got my grain going in right here. And again, I am just barely touching that, and you can see how it is just literally just wiping and smearing right off of there. And so of course, if we was to go and to start rinsing this, then a lot of this would start to do that exact same effect, just like that. And so definitely whenever you're over activated, if you can touch it like this right here, and then it just smears it like that, or even like a little bit like this right here, then that's definitely going to be over activated. So definitely maybe make one less pass, or even take and turn your fluid nozzle down on your gun, and that will also help in trying to do less activator on the film. Hopefully this video has really helped you guys out. Of course, if you have any questions or comments, then definitely leave them below. We'd love to hear from you on anything hydrographics related, as well as if you have any questions on how to properly activate your film. We're gonna have a button either here or here, as well as links in the description below, so that way you can check out and see how to correctly activate the hydrographic film, so that way you can get up and running a lot quicker and have a lot better dips overall. If you guys are interested in anything else hydrographics related, we're gonna have some links in the description below that goes to the website. The website has tons of information on anything that you need for the hydrographics or water transfer printing, from paints and supplies to even equipment and everything else. So definitely check that out. It has everything that you need for your one-stop shop for hydrographics. I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and this is how we customize your world. We'll see you guys next time.